This is Samsung Galaxy S10. The smartphone launched February 2019. After 3 years, this phone is still worth it in 2022. Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 6 in the front, Gorilla Glass 5 in the back with aluminum frame. The smartphone comes with 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus, which resolution 1440 x 3040 pixel with 550 ppi density, and this is 88.3 skin to body ratio. So overall the smartphone build and display is excellent. The smartphone also comes with a stereo speaker and IP68 dust and water resistant. Right now the smartphone running Samsung One UI 3.1 with Android 11, Android 12 coming very soon, and the phone using chipset Exynos 9820, CPU using octa-core 2x3.73 GHz, GPU using Mali G76MP12 with 6 and 8GB RAM with UFS 2.1. I am playing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile very high graphics and max frame rate. My gaming experience is so good. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with triple camera setup, 12 megapixel main lens with 1.3 aperture, 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.4 aperture, and 16 megapixel ultra wide with 2.2 aperture with LED flash, and 10 megapixel selfie camera with 1.9 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you can record 4K 30fps video with EIS, and also 1080 30 60 120fps and 240fps video, and 720p 960fps super slow-mo video, and the phone video quality is so good. So now talk about the picture quality. 12 megapixel main sensor, you can take an excellent picture in a daylight. All the photo you can get better dynamic range and sharpness, and color correction is so good. And you also take a night picture with, because the phone comes with dedicated night mode. So overall you can get average types of picture quality the smartphone. So now talk about the security. The smartphone comes with under display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one speed very fast and secure. The phone powered by 3400 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charger. So overall you can get 1 day battery backup. So the question is, 2022 Samsung Galaxy S10 is still worth it? Yeah, this phone definitely worth it in 2022 because of the smartphone comes with dynamic AMOLED display with Android 12, and you also get OK level performance and very good camera quality. So overall the smartphone is worth it. So this is all about Samsung Galaxy S10 full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. See you to another video. Allah Hafiz.